Hello, my name's Joseph Hallett, 17 years old and studying the T-level in Design, Surveying and Planning and Construction at Moulton College. So I get to the site, I'll sit with one of the quantity surveyors and they'll take me through how to use software like Excel and Bluefin. They'll also explain to me how what I'm doing translates into the project and how it affects it. On my placement, I've been able to listen and see all the background activities that go on in a project. So I see that people in construction management need to have good organisation skills and be forward thinking to try and combat any issues that might occur in the future. I've created an action plan to combat these issues. The best thing is that I want to go into quantity surveying. The job role turned out to be true. It's exactly what I thought it was, thanks to the team and Moulton College helped me get it. Moulton College started these 5-week taste events in which I visited different sites and was introduced to the world of Winvic. The support department has been great. I've used what they've taught me in class and I've been able to come to the construction site having an idea of what to expect. They've also helped me sort out all of the paperwork in regards to my T-level. Coming to it with an open mind, just because it's what it says on the tin doesn't mean it's what you have to be. You don't have to be a designer or a planner. There's so many different jobs you can get. The industry placement will help me in my career by providing me invaluable knowledge that I will sure use in the rest of my career to come.